big stems, there's small stems, and twisty stems. There are all kinds of stems. There are all kinds of stems. The stems of a tree is its trunk, which is called a woody stem. When you cut down a tree, a woody stem grows. The rings show how much it grows. One ring represents 1 year of growth. So when you cut it down, you could see all the rings and how old the tree is. The xylem are the red lines carrying up water to the stem, and carrying up water to the leaf. And phloem are the purple lines, which carry down the sugary food to the root. They are called vascular bundles. Like my experiment right here, when you take some water and some food coloring, and it shows how the virus, it shows how the xylem works. So you see this. You see.
What color is that?
It started off with yellow, and there's one that's dying, and there's one that's dying. I can see it dying. There's the one that's dying, and it's coming up to the leaf. So you can see how the xylem is sucking up the water. Sunflowers love the sun, so they try to twist. God made, since plants need sun so much, God created a chemical called auxin. Auxin causes phototropism. Phototropism means the plant twists its stem to the sun. Sunflowers love the sun so much that they twist their stem to follow the sun as it goes around the stem.
Oh, neat.
Thank you for listening.
Excellent, good job. Artwork. Great job. Great job.
Paint.
Wow. Nice.
These two pictures are painted.
And you can come see her project.
If you
You can
want.
see the xylem as it goes to water.
It's got flowers. That's how flowers start.